Hello, Explorer Magazine, Live the Adventure Box, Explorers. We've got our summer box. It just arrived in the mail. The kids dropped it on the table during supper. I can't wait to see what's inside. Kiptron, let's open this bad boy. Spring knife from the spring box. Spring came so fast, I didn't even get a chance to do the challenges this year. So I'm going to make up for it with this summer. I'm going to do a double whammy. Anyway, here we go. We're opening it up. What's in here? Fire starter or packing material. Oh, just wait. Okay, we have a whistle. A whistle's always a good thing for survival and putting on your life vest or just on your backpack, okay?
Next up, we have a white box.
A white box. What do you think's in there? While Kiptron's in there opening that, we've got a book called The New Trailside Cookbook. Oh my goodness. I just got myself a new Dutch oven, so this is probably going to have recipes like that. Color photos. These books are amazing. Excellent. What do we got?
A new stove, I think.
This is, yes, this is an emergency stove. I don't know. Again, I don't even know how to use this stuff when you first get it. We'll show you how this works in a...
Oh.
There. It's a stove like that. And then maybe there's... Who knows what's... We'll look into this. Anyway, what's next? What do you think this is? This is... Open that.
It's some type of clothing, I think.
Ooh, this looks like the quality item that's in here. This is some sort of awesomeness. What's that? That is a micro fleece
It's
towel.
a towel.
Full towel. Full body towel. Last month, we got the small towel. This one's for your whole body. These come in handy. They're super light. You know what? Before you even use it, you could use that as a blanket. It's so nice and comfortable. What do you think this is? This looks tarpish. This looks tarpish.
It is.
No. What is it? Oh my goodness. This is an inflatable mattress. Look at this. A full body inflatable raft or mattress. Woo!
Now,
I'm going camping with scouts this weekend. I can't wait.
now for the wallet tool. Yeah, the wallet tool.
Yep, it is a multi-tool credit card thing. There's a screwdriver. No, yeah.
There's like the bump thingies and the...
It's out of focus, bud.
Huh?
It's out of focus. And we have the massive wet wipes for when you're in the woods and you just had a big bowl of chili and you need it to wipe your face. These things are epic wipes.
And we got paper.
What is this? This is vinyl plastic repair kits. So this is a vinyl repair kit, probably to help repair items such as inflatable rafts or sleeping pads. Excellent. I'm going to use that literally this weekend. Excellent stuff. What else do we got?
And we got... Need more gear?
Need more gear? Visit Adventura Outdoors. And they've got an extra 10% coupon. Sweet.
Thank you, and remember, face first.
Yep. There's an Explorer Magazine promo card for a whole bunch of other stuff. We have our exciting challenge pamphlet.
Our second, our ultimate summer gear guide. Second magazine of that in a row.
We also subscribe, so that's awesome. We got some awesome stuff. This is a camp stove. You buy these little cubes and you put them here and they burn. But you don't need the stove now. The cubes you can buy and then they fit inside here. So when you go camping, you can take them out, light them up, and you got a nice little stove. So that's an emergency thing for ultralight backpackers. They probably couldn't add the fuel in the packs to ship around the world. So you can get those at your local camping store. Anyway, that's it. Can't wait to use all this stuff
At this weekend at Cubberee.
at Cubberee. Anyway, we'll see you on the flip side. CHADOVISION and Kiptron out.
And subscribe.
Subscribe
the button.
to our channel and subscribe to Explore Magazine. Okay? Bye. Here we go. Hello, Explore Magazine. Live the Adventure Box subscribers. I think that's recording.
Yeah.
Okay, sit up. Move over. Three, two, one. Hello, live the adventure. Okay, just wait. Hello, live the adventure. Oh,
You have to do
3, 2, 1. Hello, live the adventure. Explore Magazine. Okay. Okay, just wait. Stop. Let's do this.